What is up, everybody? Hans is right back, and you can see that recently I just made a lot of language learning videos and just actually record my one-on-one online learning courses recently. And I asked my teacher, and she agreed that I make a video. So if you are into the language learning Russian, you can just watch these videos and just take notes and will probably learn something new with the grammar, the vocabulary, or the sentence, for example. So that's the one thing. So the second thing I truly want to mention about in this video, I want you guys to truly remember, becoming a learning machine is the secret to have a great life. So probably you would say a lot of other things. The similar attention, or like a base self-discipline, fully record on your plan, stick to your goal, or whatever. Those things are, I would say, is good for you, but it's not the first priority. The first priority is just like greedy, feel hungry of knowledge, of becoming, of truly have this desire to be stronger, because all the disappointment, all the depression, all the bad reality is all because you are not strong enough. A lot of people say, hey, I'm just like be an alpha male, I'm just a big sigma male, I'm just become forget about those kind of ideas. It's like toxic, man. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if like a alpha male or whatever the people call, or what about whatever is like female attraction. Those are I sorry about my word, bullshit. If you truly enjoy this something you like, being passionate about learning, you become stronger. You have the more influence. You will have more resource, because knowledge is a part of the resource, and you're going to have the ability to do more. You have the ability to earn a lot of money through passive income, or through multiple streams of income, or through different you can just find a new better position. You can start your business, all kind of things. But the first thing you need to do is to learn. So I've seen a lot of extremely rich people. I've did a lot of research. Rich people are great learners, are huge, addicted to learning. So Warren Buffett, and he's still wake up at 5 every single day, read at least 5 hours of books, because he's gonna need to understand the world, and he's reading papers, he's reading a lot of books. Charlie Mangos, and I'm not saying those you say old school. I would just say Elon Musk. Elon Musk could read a tons of books, and you can see the book list, something related to. Let's not mention about science fiction. Let's say he's reading a tons of books that are related to science. He's let's change another guy. The founder of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, he's have his own a monthly record on his on Facebook, and he's just read monthly few books a month. And those guys stick to reading, learn new skills, and learn tech. So you can start to learn code, start to learn tech, start to learn investing. Especially, let's mention about investing. It's so critical. If you are the learner, and finally, I would say you are born to open the door for investing, because this is like a level 3. For the level 1 and level 2, those people are just they don't have any chances to learn. Right? Level 1, people never start to learning. They don't never learn anything. It's just I don't want to learn. Learning is enough. After school, all right. I'm just I'm just go to work because I have one skill. That's enough. So that's a level 1. The level 2 people say, I don't think it's enough. I have to start to learn something, but I'm just going to learn. Fair enough. So I don't read. I just probably find a skill that I can help me to increase my salary. That's just level 2. Level 3 is the people that in general feel hungry about life. They want to be better, they want to be healthier or be stronger, and have the they have this curiosity of the world, how the world functions, how the money organized, how the when they start think of this type of level, they start to learn the function of money. They start to learn how to invest. They start to read one book and another, and finally they probably go to read a book called The Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that's gonna start to change your life. That's just the one book that changed my life already, and I've read 10 books of Robert Kiyosaki, and still that gave me huge amount of motivations to read books related to invest, like how to invest stocks, how to invest the cryptocurrency, what is option trading, what is crypto. I've started to invest in cryptocurrency since 2017, and recently the price truly skyrocket, and I'm not too excited about it because I'm really a long-term thinker. Truly think of long-term thinking. Then in the future, it's 100% to have huge amount of money. So I'm not worried about anything because I know I will get there, because I am a super learner. Not only the language per se, it's all about different things, different except the investing also include the psychology, philosophy, or biographies. And I've booked up and I've bought a lot of programs and courses. Tony Robbins, Tai Lopez, Gary Vaynerchuk, Charlotte Lee, those type of people. So they truly helped me to let me know who I am, who I actually want to become. So if you ask me to start to keep updating YouTube videos, you don't need to, because I just realized that's the one thing of my own. This is my something now in my blood. It's something I truly want to do, truly I'm passionate about. So you guys, when you start to learn something, you start to have more skills, and you can do a lot of things. Then finally you will find something. Oh, this is something I like to do. This is something I have interested to do, and then you feel this kind of happy feeling. This is great. Once you have this something you are passionate about, you don't need to worry about anything no more. You had a bad relationship, I don't care about that, because you have a great thing to do. You have something you're passionate about. I just want to read and learn. I don't give a fuck about any other bullshit. I don't care about girls. All right, girls, for the girls, I'm gonna make maybe another topic or another videos. I know some guys probably also want to hear some thoughts of my own of how I think of girls. Don't worry, I'm gonna make this type of video later, but not this one. So you should be truly have this a learning machine, mindset or attitude towards something your goal, your dream, and then you don't care about anything your boss dislike you, the job, or actually you just ignore the current reality. You are attracting this kind of something in the future because you are in the moment of becoming. Called being. That's the word well-being. You are well of becoming. You have a well-being. That's why you have the happy life. So that's just what I feel right now, and that's what I want you guys to know in the future. And you become a learning machine. You read a lot of books, and your life is automatically changed because you are now at the level 3 of general people, and you are becoming a better version of yourself, and you will feel the beauty of the world because you now are in a new reality. I hope you guys enjoyed this short 10 minutes video, and let's start to become a super learner or learning machine during this 2021. And in the future, my channel is not only record language learning, more about different topics, different knowledge, and different my learning record or something that I share. If you're into those type of topic and want to be a super learner, want to be a learning machine, no doubt, just hit the subscribe and let's get it. Peace.